Hello guys, this will be a quick video regarding the radio antenna on my Harley Davidson. This come from factory with this long antenna here, and I keep kicking it when I'm jumping on a bike just because before I was riding my VDX, and as you can see the seat is on the top of my car, one of my cars. This is a Mustang seat with a backrest, and for this reason I took the habit of lifting my leg pretty high to go over the backrest, and for this reason I keep kicking this antenna and I lost the tip. Forget about buying a new tip at Harley Davidson because it's 30 bucks. I look elsewhere like on Fortnite and Amazon, these selling the tip for like 24 bucks I believe, and it's the price of a new shorter antenna. So, and I don't like this whip, so I found this 7 inches long antenna on Amazon. It comes with adapters, so it's supposed to fit like every vehicle. So I will try this on my bike. Before doing that, the reception is good with this antenna, so I'm scared that I will lose some strength in the signal with a shorter antenna, but let's see. I will let you hear my radio with this antenna. I will go in a couple of channels so you can hear the quality of the signal. After that I will remove the antenna. I won't move the bike, so the reception or the antenna would be at the same place in the garage, so we will be able to notice if there's a difference or not. And I know the LED lighting that I have in the garage affect the reception of the radio, so I will try with the lights on. Sorry. I will try with the lights on and the lights off just to make sure if there's a difference we can see it. So that's the channel that I listen most of the time, and as you can hear in the garage, there's a lot of static. I will switch channel now. This one I have no reception at all, and if I put the bike outside, I will have a perfect reception. So we tried 3 channels. I will try it again with the light off just to make sure there's no difference, or just to see if there's a difference. Pretty fuzzy. I will turn the lights off. So with the lights you can see that how is the terrific. We can get this one a little bit, so it will be easier to have a good gauge with this channel because it's barely understandable. We heard that, so let's now install the shorter antenna. So as I mentioned, it comes with, I thought it was an adapter, it's just a spacer. I will take it out of the box. And there's some instruction at the bottom. Paperwork, probably, yeah, just some specs of the antenna, model number. So let's just remove this one. Still a cool antenna because you can bend it and put a tarp over the bike, which this one you cannot bend it, but it will be shorter, so it won't be a problem when I will put my tarp or the cover of the bike. Let's try this. There you go. Look much better with that, in my opinion, in a way. Let's do a walk around and see. I love that look, way better than the long whip sticking out of the rear of the bike. Yeah, I know it's very dirty, I have to wash it. Don't know for you, but I love that look. But now the real test, let's see if I get any reception at all, or it's just good looking and it doesn't work much. So let's first try with the lights on and see my first channel, how it sounds like. With the other antenna, the OEM antenna, I was getting something even with the lights on. Now I cannot hear anything. But I get this one better, I think. I will turn off the light. Sounds good. But there's still a lot of statics in my favorite channel, but the others are just fine. I think the difference is not enough so that I have to go back to the OEM antenna. But again, I like that look way better. From here, you don't have that ugly whip sticking out of the bike anymore. It's really subtle. I don't know for you guys, but I like that look way better. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.